Take a look, starting with the ground. See these holes in the ground, kind of all over. Quite a few anyway. As you get closer to this tree, see more and more of these shells. In some cases, just a crawling locust at different stages. Here you see them at the, let's take a closer look at some of this. Here's that white one is out of its shell already. Here's another one crawling next to it, just beginning to emerge from its outer shell. There's one a little bit further along, emerging from its shell. Here's one that's just crawling to find a place to do its transformation. Here's one that's completely emerged on the left, and the one on the right is nearly completely out of its shell. Okay, they're white now until they firm up. Apparently here's one that's just hanging out, having completely removed itself from the shell, and here's one that's like the other, it's almost completely out. Look at these. Another one. You can see the different stages. Some cases there's a shell that's been completely abandoned by one of these, possibly, that are hanging out to firm up its outer shell. Here's some a little bit more mature, crawling up. Look at these. That one. So you can see all stages. There's one on the left that's just a shell. There's one that's almost completely out. There's one that's totally out. And one that's even matured a little bit, darkening up its exterior. Look at these. This happens to be a blood-good London plane tree. Certainly not unique with any regard to cicadas. But it's old enough that the last round, 17 years ago, there were enough of these cicadas hanging out. They got to plant their larvae under this tree, so here they are. Okay, so there you have it.